Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for an account for the Royal Bank of Scotland. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. The first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL personal.rbs.co.uk. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to this website and click on the login button at the top left of the page. So then you'll be forwarded to this page and click on the sign up here button at the bottom of the page. After that, in order to create an account, you'll need to fill your personal information. So first thing you need to do is choose the type of customer you are. I'm going to choose personal or premier customer. Then you'll need to enter your name and all the other details. Start by entering your name. Once you enter your name, you'll then be required to enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, you'll then be required to enter your postcode. If you do not live in UK, you can leave it blank. And then you'll need to choose this type. I'm going to choose credit card only customer. And once you fill in all your information, click on next and you'll be forwarded to the further sections. You'll then have to enter more information about yourself, and once you do that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Royal Bank of Scotland bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.